SUNLU FilaDryer S4 is a filament drying and storage system that is designed to help improve the quality of 3D prints. It features a large capacity, a high-power heater, and a variety of features to help keep your filament dry and ready to use. The SUNLU FilaDryer S4 has a capacity of 1.5 kilograms, which is enough to hold a large spool of filament. The heater can reach a temperature of 120 degrees Celsius, which is sufficient to remove moisture from most filaments. The dryer also features a timer and a humidity sensor to help you keep track of the drying process. In addition to drying filament, the SUNLU FilaDryer S4 can also be used to store filament. It comes with a variety of storage containers to keep your filament organized and protected. The dryer also features a built-in fan to help circulate air and prevent moisture from accumulating. The SUNLU FilaDryer S4 is a versatile and effective filament drying and storage system. It is a great choice for anyone who wants to improve the quality of their 3D prints. Here are some of the key features of the SUNLU FilaDryer S4. Large capacity, 1.5 kilograms. High power heater, 120 degrees Celsius. Timer and humidity sensor. Filament storage containers. Built-in fan. Here are some of the pros and cons of the SUNLU FilaDryer S4. Pros: large capacity, powerful heater, variety of features, affordable. Cons: can be noisy, not as portable as some other dryers. Overall, the SUNLU FilaDryer S4 is a great option for anyone who wants to improve the quality of their 3D prints. It is a large, powerful dryer with a variety of features to help keep your filament dry and ready to use. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.